What's up everybody, this is Patrick. Welcome to a new video tutorial at Sedney's Garage. Today I'm bringing you a short but interesting tutorial on how to make your own sprue goo that will be an alternative to the usual putty from different commercial brands. The main advantage this goo will have is that it will be made out of the same plastic as our model, so we ensure a perfect bond between the putty and the plastic of the model. To make this sprue goo we will need acetone, lacquer thinner, an empty glass jar, some cutting pliers and empty sprues. Usually we throw these leftovers from the model, so in this way we will recycle a part of the plastic. We will cut these leftover sprues into small pellets and gather a good amount of them. Now that we have the main ingredient of our goo cut into small pieces, we will put them in the glass jar. From there, we will only have to make the mix of thinners so it can do its job. We can make a mix of acetone and lacquer thinner at a 35-65% ratio inside the jar and shake it to mix well. With the plastic pellets inside, a reaction will start in which the plastic will begin to melt. It will take a while, so we'll have to put it aside. After a couple of hours, we will see that the plastic turned into a viscous goo and the liquid has taken the color of the plastic. We can stir it with a popsicle stick or whatever we have in hand, and we see that the reaction is on the right track. In my case, I've decided to fill the jar to the top with goo, so I will need more plastic pellets. This same product can be obtained by mixing the plastic with Tamiya thin cement or Tamiya airbrush cleaner, which are virtually the same product after the manufacturer safety data sheet. Once the mix is made, we add the previously cut styrene pellets. My recommendation is to add them little by little to facilitate melting. With the pellets in the liquid, we let it rest for several hours, stirring from time to time. When the previously added plastic is completely melted, if we need more, we add more pellets and repeat the process until we get the right amount we want to make. We also have to take into account that we can vary the amount of lacquer thinner to add depending on how thin we want the goo. The thinner, the more it will cost us to fill, but it will leave less blotchy surface and it will be easier to sand. The greatest advantage of this product is that we can make the goo as many different colors as sprues we have, even clear. Thus, we can use the plastic goo on white plastic, and so on. However, a little trick that I apply is to use a slightly different color of filler than the base plastic to control when I have removed enough filler and not sand too much. And that has been all for today. Don't hesitate to share, like and subscribe to the channel with the bell for notifications of new videos. Have a good one and see you soon!